Hey, if you've ever been stuck with hiccups that just won't go away, I've got a quick solution for you. This straw right here is designed to get rid of your hiccups really fast. It's super simple to use and it actually works. All you do is sip water through the straw. The hiccaway creates the right amount of pressure, which interrupts the hiccup reflex, getting rid of them in seconds. And that's it, no more annoying hiccups. Whether you're at work or out with your friends or just chilling at home, it's a game changer. If you're tired of fighting hiccups, click the link in the bio to grab your own hiccaway straw and say goodbye to annoying hiccups for good.